This conference will now be recorded.
Hello friends, myself Sachin Bhalerao. I am from BISP Trainings and today I am going to discuss about the topic that is Lightning Flow Builder. So it is very interesting topic and we will discuss everything about Flow Builder in Salesforce. So first we will complete theory part. After that I will show you practically also how we will create Flow Builder in our Salesforce. So first we have to understand what is Lightning Flow. Lightning Flow is a tool which allows you to automate business process by building application known as flows. Means it is a tool and we don't need to code in this. It does not require any coding and it allows user to insert, update and delete information in Salesforce. So it is very important, interesting topic and easy to understand. So let's see what is use of Sales Lightning Flow. Yeah, it can be used to delete records. Many objects are accessible using Lightning Flow. For example, opportunity, contact role, user device, etc. Can be triggered when a record is created, edited, or even deleted. Can be triggered when a user successfully logs into Salesforce. Possible to store newly created record ID in a variable so that you can reference in a flow later. Means it stores latest ID also, so we can use in our in further ways. Much more powerful to implement complex logics and can be used to capture the user input and later process it based on your business use case. Yeah, flow management of Flow Builder. If you have to create Flow Builder in Lightning, you have to click on this new flow button, and if you have to create Flow Builder in Classics, you have to click on this new flow in Cloud Flow Designer. Now discuss user interface of Flow Builder. User interface, it is comprises of four parts. First one is header, second one is button bar, third one is toolbox, and Flow Builder canvas. In header section, name of your Flow Builder appears. Second one is button bar. In button bar, so many buttons are available. Copy, paste, undo, and all. Third one is toolbox. In toolbox, so many components are available. Screen, actions, subflow, logics are also available, assignment, decision loop, and data to create and update record. Fourth one is Flow Builder canvas. So in this Flow Builder canvas, we will drag and drop components in Flow Builder canvas and variable in Flow Builder. We can also create variable in Flow Builder. And there are some kinds of variable also, that is a text variable to store first name, last name, and S object variable to store multiple field. So that is the use of S object variable. So now move towards practical parts, means how to create Flow Builder in Salesforce. So I'm going to my development account. In this in this text box, you need to type flow in this way, flow. So in process automation, you will find this flows. So click on this flows. Yeah, so this is our, now you have to create on new flow button in this way and select screen flow and then press on create button. So in this way our Flow Builder user interface appears. This one is header section, tool to button bar, toolbox, and canvas area. So today I will show you very easy example. So it is very easy to understand about Flow Builder. Suppose we have to insert a record in account standard object, and for that here flow builder appears. For that we have to create, we have to drag screen component, set label for screen component, test BISP1. In this way we have to set API name and label and disable. We have, I will show you very easy example. Suppose we have to insert in account standard object. So I'm going to drag here simple to, for text box also we have to set label and API name. Now I will give account name. Yes. I will drag one more text box, that is phone number, and this one is API name. This is our screen is created. Now press on done button, so our screen is created. Now we are going to insert a record in our account object. For that we have to drag here create record component. Here also we have to set some fields, API name and label. So BISP insert, this is API name. Here check one. Here look carefully. I am going to select this use separate variable resource and literal values in this way. Now this, from this text box we are going to select our custom object, that is account, that is standard object, not custom object. Now we have to select fields, in which fields we are going to insert record, that is name, account name. And here we already created API in screen section, so that that API name will appear here. This account name, admin, phone number, this account phone, and here in screen we created these APIs in text boxes. Okay. In this way, this is our new create record, that component. Now press on done button. Now it is created. Now we have to connect this component. I will show you how to, in this way. In this way we are going to connect these components. This. Now press on save button. Again we have to set label and API names, that is label BISP flow, API screen flow, and press on save button. Yeah, now we created our flow builder. Its name is BISP flow. Now we are going to run our flow builder. Yeah, account name is test BISP. Phone number, anything we can give it 978. Press on next button. That record is inserted. Validation we also, message boxes also we can set in flow builder. Now we will check it is inserted in account section. Yeah, this test BISP 1 2 3 4 5 7, that data we inserted. So in this way we created our flow builder. In this way, this is in diagrammatically also it is showing here. So this is all about flow builder. So I hope you understand this logic and like my video. And if you have any questions, please post comment and question in comment box. And thank you for your timing. Thank you. Bye.